So hello, namaskar, ram ram, sat sri akal, kya hal chal? This is Ayush Kumar. Come up with the video number 34. And on the other hand, I apologize to you that I've not made the videos since last 24 days. And I feel guilty of that. But don't worry, at the last of the video, you'll get to know that I'm going to give myself a punishment and you will enjoy that. So let's demolish the topic. Without any further delay, let's get started. As I told you the topic earlier or at the beginning of this video. What are you saying? I've not told you the way. Okay, let's demolish the topic. How to stick with good habits every day. मैं इसके बारे में क्या बोलूं? मैं खुद ही नहीं स्टिक कर पाता. मैं खुद ही स्टिक नहीं कर पाता good habits. Because it is the thing that you get distracted. आप हर दिन डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गए. गुड हैबिट्स अचीव करना इज नॉट द थिंग, बट प्रोग्रेस हो रहा है कि नहीं, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. तो मैं गुड हैबिट से डेली स्टिक नहीं कर पाता, बट अब ट्राई करूंगा क्योंकि मैंने ये चैप्टर पढ़ा, मुझे बहुत कुछ समझ में आया. ये हाउ टू स्टिक टू अ गुड हैबिट्स. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल एज आई गिव एवरी टाइम आई मेक द वीडियो. Without example, my video is incomplete and you will not be able to know what I am saying. Because मुझे theories में interest नहीं है. I would believe in examples. I believe in stories. Okay. 1993 में क्या हुआ था? एक बैंक था. A bank in Abbotsford, Canada, where a 23-year-old is उसको काम पे रखा गया as a stock broker. But as you know, 23-year-old boy, what people will say, ये तो अभी बच्चा है, इससे क्या होगा? And everyone has very less expectation of him. But he has done the mind-daggling things, mind-blowing things. What he did was, he made the progress that the other employees cannot do. As a 23-year-old guy, he made mind-boggling progress. And behind that, what he gave is a jar. Means how he made the call. Because a person who is a stockbroker, he has to make the sales call. उसको sales call करना पड़ता है, बात करनी पड़ती है, convince करना पड़ता है. But what he made was, one second. But what he did was, I will not tell you. I will make you think. Okay. Here it is two jars. Let me do it like this. Okay. Here it is two jars. Okay. On one jar, it is filled with nails. Kanti. How he made the progress was, कि whenever he finished one work, means whenever he finished one call, एक क्लाइंट से कॉल फिनिश किया, it doesn't matter, he agrees to buy it or not. One jar is filled with nails and another jar is filled with nothing. It is empty, totally empty. किसी को बताना मत, मम्मी से चोरी करके लाया हूँ. Okay, suppose I am a person, that 23-year-old guy, and as I have finished my sales call, it doesn't matter I succeeded or not. The thing is that I have made the sales call. I have tried to convince that person. So one nail I put. He has given the example of paper pin. You can take any type of solid materials. अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो मैं हिंदी में बताता हूँ. उन्होंने क्या किया, दो जार्स लिए. One is filled with nails, एक में nails भरे हुए हैं और एक empty है. बट जैसे जैसे वो काम करते जा रहे हैं, वो सेल्स कॉल करते जा रहे हैं, वैसे वैसे वो नेल्स इसमें डाल रहे हैं. इसमें उन्होंने 120 पेपर पिन्स लिए थे. एक जार में पेपर पिन्स 120 एंड अनदर जार इज एम्प्टी. तो जैसे जैसे वो कर रहे थे वैसे वैसे वो 120 पेपर पिन्स every day he puts on it, and on the piece of paper or on the diary he writes with date that on this day he has put the empty jar with 120 paper pins or how many pins he has filled with. That is his progress. वो उसका progress, उनका progress था. इसी वजह से उनका जो sales call था वो बढ़ रहा था. वो progress कर रहे थे on everyday basis. But it doesn't matter. आप पेपर पिन लो या फिर नेल्स लो. You can take anything. But खाने का चीज़ मत लेना. नहीं तो वो इधर जाने से पहले ही इधर चल जाएगा. Okay? So let's move on to the video. Let's keep it offside. अब वो समझ में आ गया मैं क्या बोल रहा था. Okay. So इससे क्या हुआ? He tell it as paperclip strategy. This was the progress on everyday basis. Right? 120 paper pins every day means his progress is like this. Like this. Here it is example of one more example of another person, that is hairpin. There was a person who was not able to write the one page every day or the book. But what he or she did was कि उन्होंने पेपर क्लिप लिया. Whenever जब भी वो एक पेज लिखेगी वो एक पेपर क्लिप ऑन दी अदर जार डाल देगी. दिस इज द प्रोग्रेस. दिस आई वॉन्ट टू से, दिस आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू दैट दिस इज द मेजरमेंट. दिस इज द मेजरमेंट. I have shown you with nails. They are done with paper cleans and clip. This is the measurement. Like this, good habits are made. You can use it at any place. In workout, suppose you are doing push-ups. Suppose you are doing push-ups. Then you can have a companion. जो paper clean, as you do push-up, one push-ups, one paper clip on this side, two paper clip on this side, second paper clip, third, fourth, as you do the push-ups, as the push-ups will go on. But you can do it by your side also. Suppose you have done 30 push-ups. Suppose you have done 30 push-ups. Then you can do, suppose you have done 30 push-ups. That's what I'm saying. I am about the paper clips. So this is the progress. This is the progress. First progress. That will make you. जैसे कि आपने 30 push-ups किया, तो after finishing that push-ups, you come and put the clips on the other side. 30 clips. That will show your progress. That will show your progress. And if you have done in 3 sets, then it is 90. 90 paper clips on the other side. This was the one thing that will make your habit good. That will make you give you progress. And among all the chapters, I've seen this chapter as my favorite. Why? Because here it is saying that to implement something, like implementing this work from this to this, from this to another jar. This is implementation. This will show your progress. That's what I am saying. The second thing, second good habits will be maintained by, do you have a calendar at home? Everybody have. But another good habit will be maintained if you will track every day. Like, I am making the video, what I will do is, I will cross on 29th of November, so that it will be on track. So that it will be on track. That I have done this. Suppose you are doing workout every day, then you will track it. And one more thing that will benefit you most. Why you have to do is this. आपने स्नैपचैट का नाम सुना है? स्नैपचैट. उसमें क्या होता है? Although I have zero streaks, means my highest streaks is one. But I have friends. But I have friends who have 500 streaks maintained in that. और मैं अपना सर ऐसे पकड़ता हूँ, बाप रे बाप, कितने वेले लोग बैठे हैं. जोक्स अपार्ट, वो स्ट्रिक आदमी क्यों नहीं तोड़ता है? क्योंकि अगर आपका स्ट्रिक मेंटेन हो जा रहा है डे बाय डे, डे बाय डे, डे बाय डे, तो क्या आपको तोड़ने का मन करेगा? लाइक आई हैव गिवन द एग्जांपल ऑफ द कैलेंडर, and I'm not saying it with my own things, my own thoughts. I have read in this book only. What it has told is Snapchat. Yeah, Snapchat is my example, but Snapchat में स्ट्रिक क्यों बनता है? क्यों आदमी इतना उसके लिए मतलब डेडिकेटेड रहता है स्ट्रिक बनाने के लिए? बिकॉज इफ वन स्ट्रिक विल बी ब्रोकन, यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग. You have to start from the beginning, right? So that's why this is the streak, that calendar on which you are doing cross, that is your streak. And on each day, if you will maintain it, you will get many more things. You will get satisfaction, because in progress of getting success, or in progress of being extraordinary things that is beyond your imagination, at that time good days also come, bad days also come, but bad days, the rate of bad days are higher than the good days. So that's why this trick will help you, that you are demolishing something, that you are progressing in some area, that you are achieving in some area. You are not simply sitting and wasting time. That's why progress is very much important. And from today onwards, I will do the same thing. Right? That crossing the calendar. Okay, now you will ask that what is the benefit of doing this? First benefit, that if your streak will maintain, आप उसे तोड़ोगे नहीं, क्योंकि एक चीज़ जो मेंटेन हो जाती है वो चीज़ तोड़ने का मन नहीं करता, क्योंकि अगर वो टूटेगी then you have to again start from the beginning, as I've given the example of Snapchat. Right? ये पहला बेनिफिट है. दूसरा, आपका गुड डे भी आता है, बैड डे भी आता है, बट गुड डे के लिए तो ठीक है, बट when you are suffering with bad days, मतलब सुबह से बुरा ही बुरा हो रहा है, on that day you will get to know the track that you are doing something, you are achieving something. Right? This is the positive tracking of the calendar, tracking of your own ideas, tracking of your own thoughts. आपने क्या किया लाइफ में, अचीव क्या कर रहे हो? Is there is something that you are achieving, or you are simply sitting and all? This is the third benefit. Fourth, it will make you attractive. Let me give you an example. आप वो दिन देखो जिस टाइम आपको कुछ लो फील हुआ है, एंड वो दिन देखो जिस दिन आपने कुछ अचीव किया हो. छाती ऐसे करके चलते हो जिस दिन आपने कुछ अचीव किया, और जिस दिन ऐसे, उस दिन ऐसे. बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमन्स, वी आर नॉट गॉड्स, हमसे भी गलती होती है. राइट? यही सब में हेल्प करेगा आपका. इन दिस ओनली इट विल हेल्प. और एक स्ट्रिक जब मेंटेन हो जाती है तो डिजायर रहता है कि उसको टूटने ना दिया जाए. उसको टूटने ना दिया जाए. Why? कि वो एक बार टूटा तो then you have to start from the beginning. Right? That's what. अब जैसा कि मैंने बोला, we are not God, we are humans. तो हमसे गलतियां होती है. हमसे भी स्ट्रिक्ट ब्रेन ब्रेक होते हैं। तो कैसे उसको रिकवर किया जाए, कैसे उसको रिकवर किया जाए? जैसे आपने एक डे ऑफ लिया, 1 डे ऑफ, तो सेकेंड डे चांस ही मत दो। जितना जल्दी हो सके उतना जल्दी उस चीज में आओ। जैसे एक दिन का स्ट्रिक्ट ब्रेक हुआ विद सम रीजंस, कोई भी रीजन हो सकता है, बिकॉज एज आई सेड दैट वी आर नॉट गॉड, वी आर ह्यूमंस। गलतियां होती है, गलतियां जरूरी है, इसी से सीखा जाएगा, राइट? दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। So with this is the last part, that you have to come as quickly as possible. And I've done the mistake for last 24 days. For that, I'm going to give myself a punishment, that whenever I'm not making the videos of any book review, I will make the videos of any random topic that is surrounded by me, or any random things. Whenever I'm not making the videos of this book review. Suppose today I have made the videos, but it is taking time that tomorrow I will not make the video. So I will make the video of any random topic, but no day will go off. Not a single day. And if it will go off, then I will find some other punishment. Then I will find some another punishment. So that my brain do not get free, right? So that's what I am saying. Punishment is enough. Not enough, but the punishment is good, because it is my punishment. मैंने 24 days तक नहीं बनाया, ये मेरा गलती है, and no external factors are blamed because of me. So I will make the videos each day on any random topics or on this book review, but no day will go off, whether it is exam day, whether it is assignment day, whether it is anything, any day. And the punishment, on which day it will go off, and as a punishment I thought of that punishment also. So today's video is long, but after a long time I have came, so it is taking time. But then so I will be consistent, and with time I will progress it even more with editing, with making videos, and with making all the things. So sorry for the external sounds and all. So आप सभी का हृदय की गहराइयों से प्रेम पूर्वक धन्यवाद।